Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set a custom background image in Google Chrome in 2026. So if you are bored of the plain white homepage, this quick walkthrough will help you personalize your Chrome in just few minutes. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your Chrome web browser. Over here, simply click on this plus icon here on the top to open a new tab basically. Now you will see the default Google search page where your background customization options appear. Here you will see this option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. So click on the option of customize Chrome. Over here you are going to see the type of theme that you are currently using. So here I'm currently using the light theme, but if you want to use the dark theme, you can select this tab. From the palettes as well, you can click on any of the palettes and you will see all of the changes as you click on these tabs, and these will be reflected here on your Chrome web browser. Here, in order to change the background, on the top we have the option of change theme. When you click on the option of change theme, it is going to show you some of the solid colors. So if you want your background to be in any of these colors, you can just simply click on any one of these and set it for your web browser. You can also just look for these pre-built or pre-given backgrounds as well. You can click on any one of these and it will come here in your browser just like so. So you can choose any one of these that you like. If you already have a photograph and you want to upload here, you can click on the option of upload and select that particular background from your device. After that, you can just see it here on your Chrome web browser. So Chrome has given you a bunch of different options to change your background. I liked this one, so I'm going to be clicking on it. Then you just have to come out of this particular section. And as you can see, this way you can set a custom background image in Google Chrome in no time. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.